Hey there, plant lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something truly special, medicinal plants you can grow right in the comfort of your own home using our fantastic garden kit. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this video is for you. Now, let's get started with our top 5 medicinal plants you can grow indoors. But first, let's talk about our amazing garden kit. It's the perfect all-in-one solution for indoor gardening, complete with everything you need to get started: soil, seeds, pots, and even a helpful guide. With this kit, you'll have your own mini pharmacy right at home. Number 1 on our list is aloe vera. Not only is it incredibly easy to grow, but its gel is a powerhouse of healing properties, great for soothing burns and cuts. Plus, it adds a fresh touch to your indoor space. Next up, we have lavender. Not only does it smell amazing and promote relaxation, but it's also known for its anti-inflammatory and stress-relieving properties. Perfect for those hectic days when you need a little bit of calm. Coming in at number 3 is peppermint. This refreshing herb is not only great for adding flavor to your tea but also aids in digestion and can even alleviate headaches. Talk about a multitasking plant. Now, let's talk about sage. This herb not only adds a savory flavor to your dishes but also has antibacterial properties and can help soothe sore throats. A must-have for any indoor garden. Last but certainly not least, we have chamomile. Known for its calming properties, this herb is perfect for making a relaxing cup of tea before bedtime. Just imagine sipping on a warm cup of homemade chamomile tea from your very own garden. And there you have it, folks. Our top 5 medicinal plants you can grow indoors with our amazing garden kit. So why wait? Start your indoor garden journey today and experience the benefits of these wonderful plants right at home.